throughout the day. Gold trading in range, failing to trade below 1870 and trade above 1880 levels. These are the levels I told you not to trade in the morning analysis. Likewise, oil too has taken a support at 74 and bounced back since then. So now what to expect with the US cash session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the daily updates and analysis. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with US crude WTI. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the level. Now see how beautifully gold has respected 1870 levels so far and lower highs are seen consistently. So once again, very simple, buy above 1880, rather wait for 1882 the nearest and then 84.85. Beyond that certainly you can expect it to hit 1891. In fact 1900 levels are to be seen. Once it trades above 1880, the target is 1900. If not today, possibly tomorrow. If not tomorrow, possibly day after tomorrow. 1900 levels are must once it trades above 1800 levels. At the same time, remember this fact, see lower highs are seen and flat bottom is seen. Once it trades below 1870, there is a possibility that 1867, 65 now. See 1867, 65 till 1860, it has got maximum support there. And only if it trades below 1860, you can expect that we are looking forward to 1850 levels. 1855, 1850 the next target and below 1850 directly landing to 1840 levels. So these are the resistance levels on the downside. Remember the fact for the week, for the month of January till the time gold trades above 1824. Do not consider this as bearish. It may continue to trade bullish and achieve higher highs. Remember this fact, till the time gold respects 1824. It is not to be treated as bearish. In fact, 1820 1824 zone is the maximum support zone for the month of January. Now look, the directional movement here is bullish, trying to converge. The stochastic has seen a drop. The MACD is trading bearish. And if you look at the RSI, this has seen a drop, trying to look upwards here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, clearly you can see flat bottom. See rise, retracement, taking the support from 1870. Now I look forward to this zone. Once it trades above 1875, you can expect 1878, and this time in fact once it trades above 1875 78 zone, certainly 80 82 85, they see very nearby resistance levels till 84 85. Once it breaks beyond 85, so yes, this should be another good level for you to enter. At the same time, sell entry is only below 1870. Remember 1867 65 60 till 1860, it has got very good support. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic has seen the highs, trying to drop a bit. MACD trading bearish here, trading with divergence. And RSI looking downwards here. This is a slight indication of bearishness here. But let's have a look at the further charts. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it drop, retracement, and this is the first breakout candle. See, remember, a breakout means a breakout. The next candle might take it further down. You should wait for 1870 levels to be breathed, then 1865 60 levels to be seen, and below that a further drop can be expected. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a retracement there. The MACD is divergent and bearish. See the crossover here, this is divergent, this is the third red candle. Possibly from here we can see further bearish candles. You need to remain cautious with the long entries in gold till 1880 levels. Beyond that also till 1882 85 levels you should be cautious, because see 1882 is the previous high for last couple of days which we have seen, and hence 1882 levels should also be, you should be cautious of. See RSI also looking downwards, possibly indicating a little bearish move. Let's watch more. Look at the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Drop, retracement, and see this pullback. So once you see it trading above this zone at 1880, you can certainly remain long. This should be considered for a reversal if it trades above 1880. That is also very clear. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a drop, trying to rise. The MACD has crossed over here. It is also trading with divergence. This is a indication, slight negative indication that it is trying to trade bearish. RSI looking downwards, again indicating loss of strength. Now look at the daily charts here. Now see on the daily candle 1868 level, see higher lows are seen, and yes, this is trying to trade bullish. 1870 is a good support, because below which it may get pulled down 1868 65, and then below that further drop can be expected here. Right now it is trying to trade bullish, possibly till the time it trades above this zone at 1870 you can expect a stronger bullish momentum. Remember today Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech may bring volatility into the markets, and hence you should stay cautious and alert. Directional movement is extremely bullish on the daily charts and hence a red candle cannot be denied. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also trading near to the overbought zone. Considering this, sell at 1870, buy at 1880. And those who wants to be little cautious, 1868, 1870, 82, $14. This should be the no trade zone. And hence in this $14, do not trade below 1868. You can expect 1864.65, and then below that 1860 is stronger support than below that 1855 and 50. If it breaks 50, then we can expect it to lend to 1840 till 1824. Do not consider this as bearish. This is very, very clear. On the upside, you can stay long for once it trades beyond 1885, certainly 1891, 1900 levels and beyond that are also possible. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch, which will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at the hourly charts for oil. 74, giving it a support. It has seen a retracement for 75.5, which is definitely good resistance. See, I told you above 75 you can buy, but then 75.5, 76 are going to give it a resistance. Now see what it is trying to do. It is trying to trade in this channel on the hourly charts. However, look at the slope there on the downside. The bearishness is certainly diminished here, so possibly looking forward to a breakout any point of time. If you see it trading above 75.5, buy crude oil WTI, expect 76 and then 76.5, 77, 78 levels to be seen. See, 77, 78, these two levels are going to provide maximum resistance until the time till it is below 77. Every half a dollar there is a resistance level. Directional movement, moderately bearish. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see the drop, flat bottom, retracement, again looking forward to a drop. However, flat bottom here, see the higher lows here. Possibly this indicates once it trades beyond 75.5, in fact it can achieve 76 and beyond levels, so you should remain cautious here. Look at this so far also. If you look at the drops there, you can find it is still trying to trade in this bullish channel, and 75.5 is certainly be the median. It has to drop below 74 and 73.4 in order to trade bearish. Directional movement, moderately it is bullish, but it is not indicative of anything. Rather, stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD trying to cross over for the buy again. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. See, it has created the reversal here, then this sharp green candle, and again it is trying to form a tail. Possibly beyond 75.5, you can expect 76, 76.5, and in fact 77 plus levels can be seen. See, 74 here is a good support. Directional movement, moderately bearish. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD moderately bullish here. The RSI is trading flat with slight bearish bias. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Likewise on the 4-hour charts. Now this is an expanding triangle. Once it trades beyond 75.5, stay long for 76 and then 76.5, 77, in fact 78 levels cannot be denied. Directional movement, moderately bullish. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD bullish. RSI flat, not indicative of anything. Now look at the daily chart. So what does the daily chart has done? See, flat bottom, lower highs, lower lows, means 76.5 levels are achievable here, and in fact it can breach past 77 and achieve 78 levels. This is also one possibility which it can try to attempt and achieve, and hence buy at 75.5 levels. Directional movement, moderately bearish. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is bearish. It is looking forward to converge crossover, and RSI is also looking upwards. Considering this, you can buy at 75.5. Expect 76, 76.5, 77, in fact 78 levels cannot be denied. So take your trades accordingly. At the same time, any sell entry is only below 74, below which you can rather I will say 73.8, below which you can expect 73.4, 73 as the maximum support, and below 73 a very good crash can be seen. So take your positions accordingly and trade accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch so that you can also equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategy, and so that you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do reach only to the channel only to the Telegram ID or email ID mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.